Science is a miracle. I think without science, we cannot imagine our life. Whole universe, your life activity, everything is filled with science.
First of all, congratulations for Neuroscience Hub. I believe that it would be a great platform for the future. So we want to see that this Neuroscience Hub, new innovation. I wish a great future for you and wish a great success to you. All the best, Neuroscience Hub.
Welcome to Neuroscience Hub.
All the best to Neuroscience Hub.
All the best to Neuroscience Hub.
All the best, Neuroscience Hub.
Especially the innovation, information and the inspiration. These are three characteristics. So I wish this venture all the best, and it's a fantastic initiative.
Innovation, inspiration, information. What a combination. All the best to Neuroscience Hub team.
My wishes to Neuroscience Hub. I wish Neuroscience Hub explores the latest developments in science and technology area. So my wishes to Neuroscience Hub. All the best.
Neuroscience Hub will reach new heights. All the best to team.
So scientific knowledge allows to us new technologies. So I wish you Neuroscience Hub will take it forward to the reach to the common man. All the best to the Neuroscience Hub.
Science Hub is an innovative, inspirative and informative e-magazine and e-portal and web portal that covers untold science.
Keep everyone happy about Science Hub's objectives, and we will bring the latest information, inspiration and everything to the people.
I believe Neuroscience Hub would explore the latest happenings in science and technology. All the best, Neuroscience Hub team.
All the best, Neuroscience Hub team.
I believe Neuroscience Hub would explore the latest happening in science and technology. All the best for Neuroscience Hub team.
I wish Neuroscience Hub to get the latest innovations, research and development in the common man. I wish all the success for Neuroscience Hub.
All the best in Neuroscience Hub.
All the best, Neuroscience Hub team. With your determination, there is nothing you cannot overcome. I wish you the Neuroscience Hub all the best.
Neuroscience Hub, I was so excited and I wish all the very best, and it will be really helpful for the common man and each and every one of us here.
I wish the Neuroscience Hub all the best. I wish it should reach the new peaks.
I wish all the best to the Neuroscience Hub because science is very important to everyone.
I wish Neuroscience Hub to have a great future ahead, and I hope they share the knowledge to every regarding science and technology. It has to reach to the common people. All the best.
I wish all the best for the neuroscience.
This Neuroscience Hub, there is 3 platforms, nothing but III. It means innovation, inspiration and information have to reach to common man about the science. All the best to Neuroscience Hub for this great initiative.
Nowadays, science has become everybody's part of life everywhere. Our Neuroscience Hub will bring innovations and informations to common man with good inspiration. I wish all the best to Neuroscience Hub.
All the best, Neuroscience Hub.
All the best to Neuroscience Hub.
Now I'm introducing some new platform. They are named called as a Neuroscience Hub. It's a platform for new innovation ideas and new things. You can find anything from here. Wish you very all the best for your bright future and have a blast. All the very best to Neuroscience Hub.
All the best, New Science Hub.
All the best to Neo Science Hub.
All the best to Neo Science Hub team.
All the best, Neo Science Hub team.
All the best for Neo Science Hub team.
All the very best, Neo Science Hub team.
All the 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 best, Neo Science Hub team.
Information to be provided to the core of its concept. That is what the complete meaning of Science Hub, and we live to that.